module number 8, the best pairs or the perfect pair to trade. You're with me, CJ Terra, and this is Trade with the Golden Nugget Trading Robot. So, the perfect pair to trade. Your account size determines the pair which is safe to trade, not the other way around. Okay, you do not determine. Your account size determines. So, what will you learn in this module? Which pairs are appropriate for small, medium, and large accounts, and how to match the right instruments to your account size and a time frame. Okay. Small accounts. I can never emphasize this more. Look into my eyes. Stay away from gold. If your account size is less than $300, stay away from gold. There's money on other pairs, guys. Gold is not the only pair that you can trade under the sun. There are a lot of other pairs that you can trade. Please stay away. Stay your small account away from gold. Okay? It's not, you have stories. Some of you have stories of how gold has ruined your life, how gold has taken away your school fee money, how gold has taken away your rent money, and yet you still insist to trade it. I know it's tempting, but please stay away. There are other pairs that you can trade and still make money from them. Okay? You have to stick to low volatile pairs. No gold, no Nasdaq, no US30. Build your account first. Once your account is built, then you're good to go. So, a pair guide. If you have a $10 to $100, you can do your Euro USD, USD JPY, volatility 10, volatility 20. Synthetic indices, stay away from boom and crash, volatility 100, volatility 75. This, avoid gold, Nasdaq, all those. Avoid those if you have anything less than 100. 100 to 300. These are the good pairs that you can trade. Stay away from gold, Nasdaq, boom and crash. I know you're tempted about the spikes and whatnot. Useless pairs, if you ask me. Those are useless pairs. 1,000 and above, you can do anything. Or forex major pairs, you can do all those. Okay. Why is it important that you target low volatile pairs as a beginner? They have tight spreads, less money needed when entering. Predictable structure. Most of these less volatile pairs, they have predictable structure, okay? And a small stop loss is required. You can't be maneuvering around with a stop loss. You have a $10, you're opening 3 positions on gold. What will your stop loss be? Your entire account. Because 10 pips on a $10 account, that's $10. So what do you mean? So please, this is not that we're telling you to just not trade, but there are other pairs under the sun that you can trade and still make money. Okay. On synthetic indices and the account sizes. These volatility 10, volatility 25, volatility 50, they are medium to low risk. Okay. 75, 100, boom and crash. These are high risk type of trading setups. If you do not know the pair and you do not understand the lot sizing of this pair, stay away from it. If possible, first do research on the pair, understand what it is about, and then you can trade it. But choosing the wrong pair also can cause you to lose a lot of money. Okay? Always remember that. Even on synthetic indices, I emphasize this, we do not trade 24/7. Just because your pairs move every day does not mean you need to trade every day. Have a target based, a specific time that you trade. Once that is done, you're done for the day. You don't trade from morning to evening. You don't trade. So please understand that. If you're new to the robot, if this is your first time using a trading robot, start with Euro USD, 30 minutes time frame, London session, or volatility 25 on a 15 minutes time frame. These are the safest instruments you can trade. Okay? They are very much friendly when it comes to movements. So always remember, a pip a day keeps poverty away.